Dad,
Don't apologize. Too late for that.
I wasn't going to.
You know where I'll be.
I've been seeing that like every night.
I'm sorry, Dad.
You say you can't stand to watch me cry a minute
Come here.
more. So you do the noble thing and open up the door.